With breathtaking vistas and amazing beaches adjacent to Marina and Lido di Palmi, Palmi has earned the moniker Terrace in the Strait from various poets for its remarkable beauty. On the coast of Iola and the Gulf of Gioia Tauro, in the northwest of the Reggio Calabria province, is the coastal town of Palmi. The area around the renowned Mount Sant'Elia offers stunning panoramic vistas. The Marina di Palmi, Tonara Bay, sea caves and other attractions along Palmi's coast are only a few of the many. Although people have lived in this region since the Bronze and Iron Ages, the city didn't start to exist until the 10th century, when it became a haven for individuals escaping nearby Taurian, a city that had been destroyed by the Saracens. The privateer Dragut attacked and completely destroyed the city in the 16th century, but Carlo Spinelli restored it. Palmi has grown gradually and somewhat slowly since 1600, mainly to the advancement of weaving and commerce. The city was repeatedly wrecked by strong earthquakes. The most recent one occurred in 1908, and Pucci's proposal to rebuild the populated center resulted in a modern city that was also quite practical for its time. One of the many seaside tourist attractions in the province of Reggio Calabria is Palmi. In 2013, the beach in Rovagliosa received Legambiente's accreditation as the best beach in Calabria and among the top 17 beaches in Italy. The other Lido di Palmi beaches, which are popular with tourists, were given 2 blue sails by Legambiente in 2010, putting the city in second place along the entire Tyrrhenian coast between Tropea and the Strait of Messina. Additionally, Palmi is a popular summertime tourist destination for activities planned as part of the Summer of Palmi. In terms of the city's tourism infrastructure, there are several hotel facilities, whereas the seaside districts of Tauriana and Lido have fewer. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Enjoy the co-cathedral of Saint Nicholas, commonly known as the Matrice dei Palmesi, and serving as the city's cathedral, from Fontana della Palma, which is Palmi's most significant church. It is a religious structure in neo-Romanesque style that is situated in the same named plaza, and has a lovely rose window and a modest 4-columned portico on the facade. The Civic Tower, often known as the Clock Tower because it includes 4 hourly clocks rather than just one, is located on the left side of the church. It is also worthwhile to visit the 1954 built Church of Mary Most Holy Immaculate and Saint Roch at Saint Roch Square. Inside you'll find priceless work of art, including a mosaic from the Florentine school, and the main facade only includes ornate stone pillars, a bulging cornice and the main door. Although the pavements of an old medieval church were discovered during excavations at the Saint Fantinus temple, which was once a Byzantine basilica, its exact origin is uncertain, but it does not take away from its beauty. The urn containing Saint Fantinus remains is kept inside the crypt.